Well, last year was such a fun and eye-opening experience for me, but this year, I'm excited to go even deeper. And the one thing I did pick up on, no trip to the boat show is complete without a visit to the Ocean Alexander area. And this year, they have the world debut of the 28L, which is part of the Legend series. This is the entry-level model in the Legend series, designed by longtime collaborator Evan K. Marshall. And it's also the least expensive from Ocean Alexander, starting at $10 million. The expansive Sky Lounge provides spectacular visibility and direct access to the yacht's large exterior aft deck, which features an outside dining and lounge area, a buffet bar and barbecue, with ample space for sun loungers. And below deck, the yacht offers a comfortable 4-cabin layout. And check out this full-beam owner suite midship, and this massive his and hers ensuite, plus a VIP forward stateroom and twins on the port and starboard sides. Inside, you'll notice the forward dining and salon are two separate large areas. Now here in the salon, it features this natural wood, oak, and leather throughout. Now normally there would be a dining table right here, but as you see, they've got a full bar, and hey, if you need a bartender, I'm ready. A standout feature of the 28L is the main deck forward dining. You have a view of a spacious galley, but if you want a little more privacy, you can close this thing right off. But one of my favorite features out here is just this view you have. And we showed you the sun deck earlier, provides room for sunbathing. Now on most ships like this, you have a sun pad out there, but that would just obstruct your view of the water. So let's clear it out and look at the view you have here from the forward dining. Well, Jamie, I figured this was the perfect way to kick off my second trip to the boat show, but I hear you've got something special over at Mag Bay. Well, we would need to pool our funds together and get some help if we wanted to take anything home here, but you know what? We can dream, right? Well, I'm over here again at Ocean Alexander, checking out their fourth and latest series, Puro, which is designed to bring the builder into a more contemporary area. Let's start with the name Puro. In Italian, it represents the essence of all things pure. Ocean Alexander is aiming to set a new standard in luxury yachting by blending timeless elegance with advanced technology. Adding into the Revolution, Explorer, and Legend series, the 35 Puro is the first in the series and was unveiled in the spring of 24 and crafted by Giorgio M. Cassetta in partnership with naval architect Andrea Agrusta of Navalhead. All right, let's tackle this thing step by step. Let's start right here in the Beach Club. First of all, you got the toys ready to take out on the open water for adventure, but I want to point out this transformer. Not uncommon for them to go up and down, but this one is unique because it actually extends out. And then just a few steps down, you have a nice lounge area with a bar for you to just hang out and relax down here in the Beach Club. Let's start to head upstairs. This is Ocean Alexander's interpretation of a global yacht. No matter where it is, you won't feel out of place. It has an Italian aesthetic with European sensibilities. Notice everything is symmetrical. That balance creates comfort. There is a sense of calm. So European boats tend to be a little bit tighter in the hallway, but you'll notice these are a bit wider, catering to that American audience while still having that global appeal. All right, let's head into the owner's cabin now. So the first thing you notice is just how spacious this owner's cabin is. And you got great views on both sides, but one of the coolest features, I think, is something I've never seen before. Within this mirror is a television set directly across from the bed. How about that? Downstairs, you've got 2 VIP rooms. Again, you've got the TVs within the mirrors, and there's 2 more staterooms you can customize to your liking. Back upstairs, notice the massive galley. Well, the bridge deck is just set up perfectly, and you have everything you need up here. You've got a day head, you've got a bar for all your drinks, and you've got a television over there that's set up at eye height when you're sitting down lounging here on the couch, and then it leads right out into another deck. You have a complete walk-around deck that leads out here to another lounge area. Now these black poles can be removed or left up if you want some more shade. You've got plenty of seating out here with a great view, and underneath that cover is a jacuzzi. And we're not done, we're up yet another level. We are now on the sky deck, and this is a great area as well. Maybe my favorite on this ship. You've got another bar, plenty more seating out here, but I want you to also notice just the views. And one thing that makes this vessel particular is how high up you are. So if you're at dock and there's other people around, you have that air of privacy because you are much higher up than anybody else around you. This is absolutely incredible. Speaking of incredible, Will, I hear you have something we're going to want to see, another best of show candidate.